Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is if that's the case. If that's the case. अगर ऐसी बात है तो. Second, why are you scrambling for these trivial things? Why are you scrambling for these trivial things? तुम मामूली सी चीज़ के लिए क्यों छीना झपटी कर रहे हो? 3. डोंट येल एट मी. डोंट येल एट मी. मुझ पर मत चिल्लाओ. 4. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. मैं पागल हो रहा हूँ. 5. Suddenly it knocked my mind. Suddenly it knocked my mind. अचानक मेरे ख्याल में ये आया. 6. What do I lose? What do I lose? मेरा क्या जाता है? 7. I've known it you don't like smoking. I've known it you don't like smoking. मुझे पता चला है कि तुम्हें सिगरेट पीना पसंद नहीं. 8. We all understand. We all understand. हम सब समझ गए. 9. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. मेरे पीछे पढ़ो. 10. What a bother. What a bother. क्या मुसीबत है. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.